Hello everybody. Now currently on our way to a coffee shop about 2 streets down from where we're staying. Go get some work done. The internet's really good there. So we're about to have a working morning, and then tonight we're gonna go check out the night market. Excited?
Yeah.
At this night market I need to buy flip-flops. Still on our way to the see that umbrella right there? That's our cafe. We really go all out and find the nicest places in Chiang Mai. And what we like about this, there's a water machine that we can fill up here. There's also like washing machines out over there. This is a good cafe for us because we can do our laundry and work at the same time.
But today we don't have any laundry.
And here we are. This is the spot.
Careful.
So yeah, after a long day of getting some work done, it was time to head out and check out the night market. Also, just a warning, if you have headphones in, lower the volume. This next little bit is very loud.
Hello faraway family. We're still in Chiang Mai right now. We're on our way to the night bazaar close to the mosque here in Chiang Mai. And we just brought the camera because if you can hear, there's this weird chirpy buzzy noise that's getting louder and louder. Apparently the birds in these trees are going crazy. I'm actually getting a little frightened because birds tend to attack me back in Montreal. If there's a group of birds, they will come, they'll peck at my head, they'll slap me across the face, they'll come fly into me. So I'm a little freaked out right now.
What the hell is happening? They're like yelling everywhere.
Yeah, they're freaking out. These birds are freaking out.
I'm freaking out. The birds are making me freak out.
She's freaking out too.
Let's go check out that tuk-tuk guy and see if he can drive us.
Alright, sounds good.
There's a few nice spots for him to drive.
Yeah. So guys, we're just grabbing a tuk-tuk to the night bazaar on the east end of Chiang Mai. Take our time and explore more of the north. But Chiang Mai itself is very doable in a handful of days. We now made it to the night bazaar area. At least it's the area. We're not exactly in the main night bazaar. It appears that a lot of the streets on the sides, they set up their own shops and take advantage of the night bazaar hype. From what I can tell right now, we're on the Chinese Muslim side of the night bazaar, or version of the night bazaar. Fun fact, apparently the Chinese people that immigrated here were Muslim, so there's a big population of Chinese Muslims from Thailand. Go figure. Farah loves essential oils.
They're my favorite.
Where we are exactly, but just enjoying the night. people walking around the night bazaar in different places. It seems like every section has their own little show going on. Guys, we're done after a night of shopping at the what's it called, night bazaar, the Chiang Mai night bazaar. We ended up finally buying myself a nice pair of real diesel flip-flops, no matter what anybody else says that they're real. Anyway, we jumped onto one of these red bus taxi truck type things. Don't get fooled, we asked one when we first came to Chiang Mai, and they told us it would cost $150 to get on. But this guy's like, no, to hop on it's $30 per person. The more people going, the better likely chance of them giving you that lift. So if you guys do come in a group or something, look for these red taxi trucks, or they look like pickup trucks with a hut. I mean, there's a giant hole in the back. It's probably safe, no seat belts, but I think it'll be fun.